Welcome to Samskriti Technology. Unpacking Samsung M30. You can see here this is having 3 back camera, one 13 megapixel is the middle one and 5 megapixel 2 camera for wide range. With the power button and volume up and down. This is slot for SIM card. So front camera is 16 megapixel and battery capacity is 500 milliamp, 6 GB RAM and 120 GB memory. This is the advantage of this mobile and expandable up to 512 GB. So we'll see afterwards how many GB of memory is available for us. So in the box we are getting the quick guide, start guide, and the warranty card. The USB cable, it is type C type of cable, is multi-purpose, and USB power adapter is a 5 volt and 2 amps power. So for charging we have to use that type C type cable. If we are not using type C type cable, the device may be damaged if you use a micro USB cable. I'll use now the ejection pin to check up the SIM card slot. See, we can put 2 SIM card and the memory card. Wow, this tray contains 2 SIM card and memory card, so we can use the memory card and the second SIM card together. So this is the advantage. So the good one. Okay, and switch on. Already I have switched on once, so okay. We'll go to setting. We'll see what is the new features. Many new features are there, so if possible I'll do the for all the features of the video. And I will see, I want to see how much memory and RAM is already used by the system. So even though it is 128 GB memory, some of the memory will be used by the system, and even the RAM is 6 GB. So out of 6 GB, system data will use some part of the RAM. So we'll see that. Yes, here. Okay. Yeah, you can see here it is 20.9 GB. 20.9 GB of memory is used by the system. So out of 128 GB, we'll get only 107 GB, 107.1 GB we can use. So remaining memory will be used by the system, and out of 6 GB, 2.3 GB is used by the system data. So around 3.7, yes, 3.7 GB is available for the user. Okay, thank you. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel.